Hey, it's Bortone, the online video guy, with another video. And today it is January 2nd. And I did a video earlier. This is sort of part two because I wanted to share my screen, which hopefully is working, and show you my video content calendar sample. So these are just ideas, content ideas for videos. If we're trying to do a video every day, or as much as possible in 2018, then we're going to do a lot of ideas for videos. You can do the same thing. You can do different things every day. You can be on screen. You can screen share. There's a gazillion ways to do this. So I just want to do a real quick video on some content ideas if you are interested in doing online video. So here's any given month. 31 days, doesn't have to be January, but anyway, you can ask a question, you can share a tip, you can do frequently asked questions and answer frequently asked questions. Hi, Maria. You can give shout outs or thanks to folks. Another good one to do is always, what's your why? Why do you do what you do? Why did you go into business for yourself if you are in business for yourself? You can talk about guilty pleasures. Mine recently has been binge watching West Wing, going back to the old series, The West Wing with Martin Sheen and Rob Lowe and all those guys, and just binge watching on Netflix. So that's been my guilty pleasure over the holiday break. You can do an interview, which is much easier to do with Zoom.us. You can do a series, you can do an AMA or ask me anything. You can talk about your best day. You can go behind the scenes. People love behind the scenes stuff, by the way. You can go live from wherever you may be. Oh my God, Michelle's been watching West Wing also. What a coincidence. Anyway, good to see you, Michelle. It's been a while. Hi, Connie. We're just talking about some video ideas if you want to do more video in 2018. So again, remember, you can go live from your tablet, your phone, your desktop. Maybe you're out and about. Hopefully you're not outside today. It's 6 degrees here in New Hampshire and pretty cold around the rest of the country. I think I read that something like 80% of the country is in well below freezing temperatures. That stinks. Anyway, tons of ideas here. I won't list them all and go through them all, but I'll post this as a PDF below the video as well, so you can download it or print it and see all the different things you can talk about and just give you some ideas. Hi, Gwen, Julianne. So Facebook typically recommends that you do your videos for like 10 minutes at a time, maybe. I find it difficult to go that long. So really, whatever you're comfortable with. The idea is to do more video so that you will have more online impact, influence, and income. That's the idea. More impact, influence, and income. Those are my 3 big words for 2018 for me and my clients. I don't see how to stop sharing my screen here as I look at this because I don't do Facebook Live that much, although that'll change now. So I may just have to wrap up and say Happy New Year. I'll put a copy of this video content calendar with many, many video topic ideas below for you. So hopefully it will motivate you or inspire you to do more video. And I hope you do more video, and we'll catch up with you pretty soon. This is Lou Bortone. George Corralius, we have to meet soon. It's time to catch up. I've been in hibernation mode because it's so damn cold, but as soon as the mercury rises above freezing, I may actually leave the house again. So we'll see how it goes. All right, I'm going to get back to work, and hope you guys have an awesome day and a great week. Bye for now.